how to log in to StockX account. So if you want to log into your StockX account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search and then search for StockX. Once you've searched, go for the first search, which is stockx.com, and it will take you to the website. So now to log into your account, you can go for the login, which is on the upper right, and it will take you to the login page. So to log into your account, you can either continue with your Google, your Facebook, Apple, or Twitter, or I'll be choosing my email address. So enter your email address and then your password of your account. But if you don't remember your password, go for forgot password, which is here on the right side. But if you remember, then enter your password and then click on login. Once you click on login, now here it says that you need to check your email to verify to login. So open up your email or your Gmail, and then here you will have the StockX mail. You need to simply click on S, it was me. Once you click on that, it will take you to the login page and it will log you into your account. Click on login, and that's it. That's how you can log into your StockX account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.